Hello students, Jai Hind. This is Vivek Srivastava sir, and I am here with the new video. It means the third video of chapter 1, and that is related to class 7. So in this video I am going to describe you new social and political groups. Okay. So beta, as you know that classes are not going to continue offline mode. So be punctual on the online mode and see all the videos properly, because it is very necessary for you. Okay, we have already lost our important 1 year in the corona epidemic last year, so I don't want to lose anymore. Please continue with us. So beta, the topic that we are going to describe is that the social and political groups. The study of the 1000 years between 700 to 1750 yani 750 is a huge challenge to historians, largely because of the scale of variety and the developments that occurred over the period. All different moments in this period, new technologies made their appearances, like the Persian wheel is irrigation, okay? The spinning wheel is in weaving, and the firearms in combat. So new foods and beverages arrived in the subcontinent. Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee were used as the new food. So remember that all these innovations like new technology and the crops came with the people who brought over ideas with them as well. As a result, this was a period of economic, political, social and cultural changes. This is also the period of great novelty. Group of peoples traveled long distances in search of the opportunities. The subcontinent held immense wealth and the possibility of people to carve a fortune. On a group of the people who became important in this period were the Rajputs. Okay, the Rajputs that we know very well, a name that is derived from the Rajputra. Okay, Rajputra in Hindi. Rajputra means Raja ka putra, Raja ka beta. Okay, so the son of the ruler. Between the 8th and 14th century, the term was applied more generally to a group of warriors who claimed Kshatriya caste status, and the term included not just rulers and the chieftains, but also soldiers and the commanders who served in the armies of different monarchs all over the subcontinent. Chivalry code conduct, extreme valor and a great sense of loyalty were the qualities attributed by Rajputs by the poets and bards. Okay, so other groups of people such as the Marathas, Sikh, okay, Maratha, Sikh, Jat, Ahom and Kayasthas. Kayasthas, that is a caste of scribes and scripters, also used the opportunities of the age to become politically important. Throughout this period, there was a gradual clearing of forest and extension of agriculture. Throughout this whole period, extension of agriculture, a change faster and more complete in some area than in other. Okay, it means they were forcing to start agriculture. They are acting on agriculture. Okay, so change in their habitats forced many forest dwellers to migrate. Those who used to live in forest, they have to migrate because the forest or the jungles were cut down for the fields. So others started tilling the land and become peasants. Okay, so after the clearing of forest, that is only a land, So those who started tilling the land is known as the peasants or the farmers. Okay. These new peasants group gradually began to be influenced by regional markets, chieftains, priests, and monasteries and temples. So they become part of large complex societies and were required to pay tax and offer goods and services to local lords. As a result, significant economic and social differences emerged amongst peasants. Some possessed more productive land, others also kept cattle, and some combined artisanal work and agriculture activities during the lean season. Lean season. What is mean by lean season? I have already told you in class 6 geography. Lean period of lean season. It means that season in where the gap between the two seasons, like rice, after that gaps of 2 or 3 months, there is nothing in this field, so this period is known as lean period. Rice, then wheat, and after wheat there is a gap of 3 months between wheat and rice, so this period is known as lean period. So some possessed more productive land and other kept cattle. Okay, people as a society become more differentiated, and they converted into jatis and subcastes. Jatis and subcastes, and rank on the basis of their background and their opportunities. Ranks were not fixed permanently and varied according to their powers, influence, and resources controlled by the members of the jatis. The status of same jati could vary from area to area. So jatis formed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. These regulations were enforced by an assembly of elders distributed in some areas as the jati panchayat. But jatis were also required to follow the rules of their villages. So several villages were governed by a chieftain. Together they were only one small unit of the state. So in this video we have seen that emergence of Rajputas. Okay, after that some new caste like Kayasthas. Okay, they are well known for the accounts, controlling the accounts of their kings. Okay, so in this video you have seen, and I think you all got the important topic that was related to this video. Now up to the next video, keep watching my channel. Have a nice day.